Welcome to our educational video.
Today, we from Group 4 will be discussing a topic that is very close to our daily lives, the habit of smoking and its impact on both active and passive smokers.
But we dive into the discussion, let's get to know our team first. I'm Firman.
I'm Farah. I'm Kafila. I am Rizky.
I'm Danny.
I am Nikita.
I'm Novel.
I'm Rehan.
It's something we do thousands of times every day without ever realizing it. Breathe in, exhale. It's that simple until we forget how precious clean air is. But what if the air we breathe actually becomes a trait that kills slowly?
We all know that cigarettes are dangerous. The warning is on every package, advertised everywhere, even been since we were in elementary school. But strangely, this habit is still considered very natural.
That's right. There is an assumption in our society that if you finish eating, there is something lost if you don't smoke. Alternatively, smoking is considered the quickest way to get the acquainted while hanging out. A cigarette is also often used as an instant solution to relieve stress.
In fact, behind the illusion of tranquility, there are thousands of harmful chemicals that enters the body, starting from nicotine that makes our brain addicted, tar that blankens our lung, to carbon monoxide that robs us of oxygen from our blood.
Well, before we go too far into the medical theory, let's look at a real situation. A situation that we might encounter often on a daily basis. Whether in a cafe or on our bed.
Farah, have you ever noticed how easy it is to find people smoking almost everywhere?
All the time, whether it's at a restaurant, bus stop, or public space, there's usually someone smoking nearby.
What's interesting is that most people already know smoking is harmful.
Exactly. The warnings are printed on cigarette packs and information about the risk is widely available.
Yet smoking is still considered a normal part of daily life for many people.
That's true. Some people smoke after meals, some while hanging out with friends, and other when they feel stressed.
Cigarette smoke isn't just harmful vapor, right?
Not at all. Cigarettes contain harmful substances such as nicotine, tar, and carbon monoxide.
Nicotine is the substance that causes addiction, isn't it?
Yes, it affects the brain and makes people want to keep smoking, even when they understand the risk.
And that is the one that damages the lungs.
Exactly, Nikita. Tar can build up in the lungs over time, while carbon monoxide reduces the amount of oxygen carried by the blood.
When you think about it, that's a serious consequence for something many people see as an ordinary habit.
I agree. And the effects are not limited to smokers themselves.
Right, because people nearby can also inhale the smoke.
Which means even non-smokers can be exposed to the harmful chemicals released by cigarettes.
So, in a way, smoking is not only a personal issue.
It also affects the people around us and the environment we share.
That's why raising awareness about smoking is so important.
Because understanding the risk is the first step toward making healthier choices.
And sometimes small choices today can make a big difference for our health in the future.
After all, clean air is something everyone deserves to enjoy.
We will discuss the impact of cigarettes from two sides, namely active smokers and passive smokers. With us, two speakers were present. Thank you for being willing to share your experience. And now for active smokers. Since when did you start and what are the
I
risks?
started smoking as a teenager, initially out of friend and curiosity.
What impact did you feel during smoking?
Frequent coughing, fatigue quickly, and sometimes shortness of breath when strenuous activity.
For passive smokers, how do you feel when you are exposed to cigarette smoke frequently?
Sometimes it's uncomfortable, the smell of smoke, and is annoying. And I often cough if I am exposed to it for too long.
Do you feel the health impact of cigarette smokes?
Yes, I get convulsive and sore throat more easily when I am environment full of cigarette smoke.
What are your expectations for active smokers around you?
I wish they cared more, for example, not smoking in public place or near other people.
From these interviews, we can see that cigarettes not only have an impact on active smokers, but also very disruptive and harmful for passive smokers. Shared awareness is very important to maintain the health of the environment.
From the conversation earlier, it's become very clear that the impact of cigarette is like a domino effect. It's not only harm oneself, lower stamina, and drain the pocket, but also deprive others of their right to live a healthy life.
That's right.
Quitting or breaking the habit of smoking is not something that can be done overnight. A body that is used to nicotine will definitely react. There are phases where emotions become unstable. Headache or strong urges to relight a cigarette.
But it is only a temporary process of adaptation to a cleaner body. We can start with real steps. First, dare to be frank with yourself and the environment. Never hesitate to decline a smoking offer from a friend in a polite way. A good friend will really appreciate your sound decision.
The second step, find a new habit to distract and keep your hands busy. Instead of holding a cigarette, you can take your focus off brewing coffee, trying out new recipes in the kitchen, taking a camera to go for a photo hunt around town, or start exercising regularly.
And thirdly, recognize and avoid the triggers. If you realize that the stress of work or collect assessment is the reason you smoke, look for a healthy fun. Talk to someone, listen to music, or just drink a glass of water slowly while taking a deep breath.
The journey to stop might feel hard at first, but the rewards are well worth it. Imagine a body that feels lighter when you wake up in the morning, a breath to no longer stutters when you climb the stairs, and a smile of relief from a family that no longer needs to inhale toxin from your clothes.
In the end, it's just one lungs. There are no part, and more importantly, the life and health of those around us cannot be replaced by anything. Whenever you hesitate to buy a pack of cigarettes, remember that the decision not to light the lighter could be a longer breath for your future, and thus you love.
Light your cigarette now before they kill you and kill the hopes of your love.